So let's how we can round with fill pattern inside of Corel Draw. So to round with fill patterns, I'm going to head in a let's for example. Now I to access the properties panel. So to access the properties panel, you go to Windows, then onto Documents, go on Properties right here, and you'll have access to this. So we can see that there's options, and third option right here is transparency here, and similarly got options right as well. But let's go down to fill right here, and in fill you can see that pattern is an option. So what I can actually do is around select a pattern that I have to fit with. I can go ahead here and change around, for example, and hide object as well. Let's for example, if I have to go to 0.2, let's for example, then you can see that it fills up that pattern right there. I can also go ahead and let's say, for example, skew the out right here, use the button right, you can go ahead and see off of pattern here, just like this. But you can see that you can start seeing those artifacts right here. Type in 0 and this is what you have right here. So you can see that this is what you have, and you can go around and change around the different options right here, and then go ahead and choose around the pattern as you like right here. And then let's say, for example, type in the pattern right here, just like this, and this is what you have. And that is how you can go ahead and then work around with the pattern fills inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.